Good morning, student. This lesson is for class 9th. Book is Behive. Lesson number 6. Chapter name is My Childhood. This is a lesson of autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, which is taken from his book that name is Wings of Fire. In this, we will read about his childhood. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in the erstwhile Madras state. Abdul Kalam was born into a middle class Tamil family. They lived in the island town of Rameshwaram, which is in Madras. Erstwhile meaning is former Madras state, means first one Madras state. They were living in that island. My father Jainuluddin, Abdul Kalam's father name was Jainuluddin, had neither much formal education, means he was not much educated nor much wealthy. Wealthy meaning is rich. Despite these disadvantages, rather than or instead of these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. Possessed meaning is had. He had great innate meaning is in birth, or we can say that which qualities he got by birth. Which qualities his father got by birth, that is wisdom. Wisdom meaning is knowledge, and a true generosity of spirit, that is he was very kind person. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother Ashiyamma, and one helpmate means he had one person, ideal person who was helpful in his lifetime, that is Abdul Kalam's mother, whose name was Ashi Amma. I don't recall meaning is remember the exact number of people she fed every day. And Abdul Kalam said that he didn't remember that how many people, to how many people she was giving food daily. But I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of her own family put together. And he said that I am sure that rather than the family members or outsider, she was providing food to the outsider more than the other family members. Means not only the family members, but she was providing to the outsiders also. I was one of many children, and as he was one of the children from his family, a short boy with rather undistinguished looks, and he was short. His height was short. Undistinguished look means it is not different from his parents, but as his parents, born to tall and handsome parents, as his parents were tall or handsome parents, we can say, or good looking, but he was some different, as his height was shorter than his family members. We lived in our ancestral house. They were living in the ancestral meaning is the house belongs to his father, grandfathers, or great grandfathers. They were living in that house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century, and that house was built in the 19th century. It was a very large pakka house. It was a pakka house made of limestone. Limestone meaning is it was painted, we can say, and bricks. It was made with bricks, and it was painted on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram, and they were living in the street Mosque Street of Rameshwaram. My austere meaning is simple, strict, and swear, means his strict father, we can say is only strict. Austere meaning is strict father used to avoid all inessential comfort. Inessential meaning is which are not necessary, that his father didn't like the unnecessary items or luxuries in their life, means they also thought, they only thought that the necessary things are necessary things should be there in the life to lead a happy life, we can say. However, all necessities were provided for. Either they had provided him, or he was provided by all the necessary items which he needed, that is in terms of food, medicine, or clothes. In fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. And he said that his childhood was very secure in the manner of economically. Materially meaning is economically means whatever he wanted, his parents had provided him, and emotionally means he got proper love and care from his parents also. Next is the Second World War broke out in 1939 when I was 8 years old. And when he was 8 years old, one world war broke out in 1939 for reasons I have never been able to understand. But he didn't know the reason. A sudden demand for tamarind seed. Tamarind meaning is imli type. That sudden demand of tamarind seeds erupted meaning is arose in the market, means there was suddenly the demand of tamarind seeds increased. I used to collect the seeds and sell them to the provisional shops. Provisional shops meaning is grocery stores from where we are taking our necessary items, eatable items. On Moscow Street means the streets which is in the Moscow where they were living. The shops were there, and he was collecting seeds and giving to those shops, and further from those shops the people are selling the seeds. A day's collection would fetch me the princely sum of 1 anna. And how much money he was collecting from those seeds and selling them? That is 1 anna. 1 anna is a very small unit of currency or money. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me stories about the war, which I would later attempt to trace in the headlines in Dinamnai. Dinamani is a newspaper name. As his brother-in-law, whose name was Jalaluddin, he was always telling him the stories that what was happening during the war time. As he was a small 8 years old na, that's why his brother-in-law was telling him about the time of war in the form of stories, and after that he had read about those things in the headlines of the newspaper Dinamani. Our area being isolated means as they were living in the island which is away from the countryside. Our area being isolated was completely unaffected by the war, as they were living on the island, which is a different part of the country, we can say different from the country. That's why they were, or different from the city, you can say. That's why they were not affected by the war. But soon India was forced to join the Allied forces, and something like a state of emergency was declared. Allied forces meaning is the armies of UK or USA and Russia during the Second World War. Means India had joined during the Second World War. India joined with UK, USA or Russia's armies, and something like a state of emergency, and then after that emergency was declared, means the war was started and emergency was declared in the state. The first casualty came in the form of the suspension of the train halt. Casualty meaning is that we can say first problem which occur through the world war or during the emergency time. That is in the form of suspension of the train halt at Rameshwaram station. At firstly, the train which was coming to the Rameshwaram or which was going to the Madras, it is staying at Rameshwaram station for some time. But due to the war time, due to the emergency, they had stopped the stopped the halting of train at the Rameshwaram station. The newspapers now had to be bundled and thrown out from the moving train on the Rameshwaram road between Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. That's why the newspaper which was coming from the through the train and delivering in the Rameshwaram, as the train was not stopping at Rameshwaram station, so the bundles were made of the newspaper and thrown in the street on the roads of the Rameshwaram, lying between the Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. That forced my cousin Samsudin. His cousin name was Samsudin. It has forced his cousin who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram, as his brother work was to distribute newspaper in Rameshwaram city. So his after that case, means when they were not stopping the train and throwing the bundles, his brother has to look for a helping hand to catch the bundles, and as if naturally I filled the slot. Means as his brother has to take anyone's help, because they have to collect the newspaper which were thrown by the trains, or they have to catch the newspaper which were thrown by the trains. So he has a cousin has a need of someone who would help him to catch in catching, and who had filled this post, we can say, or slot, that was filled by Abdul Kalam. Means Abdul Kalam helped his brother in catching the bundles of newspaper. Samsudin helped me earn my first wages, and in this way he earned his first wage, first income. Okay, half a century later, I can still feel the surge of pride in earning my own money for the first time. And now also he said that I am feeling very proud that at the young age how he had earned his first money.